You were part of that journey. Suddenly ఈ రోజు పెళ్లి చేసుకొని నేను రష్మిక జంటల మీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చాము. ఇట్ ఫీల్స్ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్. టైమ్ ఇస్ పాసింగ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ us. Life is passing. We are growing up, growing older, doing new things in life, new stages in life. But you will always be my home press. The Telugu press will always be our press, and I thank you all for your wishes. We came here so that you all can meet, and also mainly to take all your blessings while we are here. And Telugu states ke konta kodal ochindi manchiga chuskoni. So thank you all. This is from me. It's lovely to see all of you, and you were part of that journey.